Hello everyone, this is Kamran Hussain. In this video, we will discuss about preparation tasks at our source database for database upgrade by the use of Oracle GoldenGate. So let's start. These four steps we will perform at our source database to prepare it for GoldenGate extraction process. So first we create a user for GoldenGate process in our source database. Second one, we will grant the specific privileges to this user. Third one, our source database should be in archive mode. So if our database is not in archive mode, so we need to be enable database in archive mode. Only this step we need a downtime. If your database already in archive mode, so you don't need any downtime at the source database. Last one is the supplement logging. We will enable the supplement logging in our database. So there is no any impact of these steps in our source database. If your database already in archive mode, so there is no any impact in your environment in your source database to perform these steps for Golden Gate database upgrade. Now let's perform some steps for prepare our source database for Golden Gate application. So these are the steps we need to perform in our source database. So let's execute SQL plus slash sysdba and create the user created. Now we have to grant these permissions to this user. Okay, grant execute. Our database should be in archive mode. So let's check is our database in archive mode. So currently database is in no archive mode. Let's shut down immediate. For your organization, if you because this is your source database, you have to take a downtime to convert your database in archive mode. Most of the organization database is running in archive mode. But if your database is not in archive mode, so you have to enable the archiving. Okay, so for that you have required a downtime for that. So start database in mount mode, start up mount, alter database, archive log, and alter database open. Database is successfully converted into archive mode, archive log list. Okay, so my database archive will be generated on this file system. So let me create a file system mkdir u01 archive. Okay, and cd archive sql plus slash sysdba alter system show parameter alter system set archive destination is equals to this location. This is my archive log location because I don't want to use this default location. I want to use this location for my archive. Okay, now location has been changed. Check again archive log list, alter system, switch log file. Now it's generating in this file system. Second one, we need to add the supplement logging. First, we need to check the supplement logging. Okay, so we need to add the supplement logging as well. So now supplement logging has been added. Now let's check again. So we have created a user of GoldenGate. We have enabled the archive log and we have add the supplement log. So these are the basic steps we need to be performed in our source database.